Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And if you're a new and old subscriber, thank you for clicking my video. I really appreciate the support. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if possible share it to support my channel. I'm really grateful. So today we are going to be reacting to Hello, which is Electric Light Orchestra, and the title is Living Thing. So I don't know if it's a band or it's of an individual, what genre they sing. I guess we're about to find out. They have orchestra in their name, and I think I'm expecting great things. You all know what orchestra means. It's no small word. So I'm expecting something great from this people or this band or this individual. So guys, do join me as we react to Orchestra Living Thing by Elo. They have a violin. They have a violin. That was good. Hair is so full. Favorite parts.
It's a living thing. It's a terrible
They all have full hair.
It's a given thing.
Is it like a criteria for you to join the band?
Taking a dive, cause you can't help the slide floating downstream.
I'm taking a dive.
Oh, so let her go, don't start spoiling the show. It's a bad dream.
I'm taking.
And you, and your sweet desire.
Don't you do it, don't you do it. Higher and higher, baby. It's a living thing. It's a terrible thing to
They're a very lovely band.
It's a given thing.
Very lovely band.
What a terrible thing to lose. It's a living thing. It's a terrible thing to lose.
Electric Light Orchestra. They outperformed my expectations. I'm not gonna lie. That was a very beautiful music. It's a living thing, especially the chorus. The chorus has this earworm. It's very catchy, and I love the fact that the instruments, the violin, and everything complemented their vocals so well. And what's with the hair? I think is a criteria to join the band. So guys, please do well to let me know who these guys are, because your choruses and everything is very catchy and they have very good vocals. So do well to let me know who they are in the comment section and recommend more good songs by them. Please Thanks for watching, and do well to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to support me, and I really appreciate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.